Hi, third graders. So yesterday you started learning about compare and contrast. Now this is review because we have learned compare and contrast already this year, but we're almost in May and it's kind of our review year and some pushing towards a little more fourth grade standards. So when we're talking about compare and contrast, we have two things. We need to keep track of how things are different, and that is the contrast part of it, and then how things are alike and how they're the same. Okay, so that one's going to get dropped here. Now, when we're talking about words, when you're reading, you might hear these sort of key words come up, and when two things are being compared, they'll use certain keywords, and same thing if they're being contrasted. So again, compared is things that are similar. So you might hear a phrase as well as, okay? It might be also, like. It might be similarly, both, to. And then we have words that are words that might be contrast or different, might be words like they are differ. If we're comparing things that are different about them, they might be less than, more than, that's how they're different. Could be but, besides that, unlike each other, otherwise, and instead. So those are words that you might hear if they're different. Now, what I'm going to show you are a couple of scenarios that come up with compare and contrast. So I'm going to show you two of them here. I'm not going to do them for you. I want you to try to do this on your own. But what you're going to do is you're going to read this story and this little short story, super short, and you're going to write, right here it says, how are the cats similar? Type that here. How are they different? Type that here. Same thing down here. How are, sorry, my screen went away. How are the two books similar and how are they different? So I want you now to try that on your own. Again, where it says type here, you can literally click here at the end and you can delete these words, okay? And then you can start typing. If you have any questions, let me know, and make sure both of these boxes are filled in, alike and different. Thank you.